Hello everyone, it's day 3 of Tonic's Cyber Week sale and I've got more deals for you on loads of products across the Tonic Studio store. First up, we got the Tonic Easy Clean mat at 50% off. It makes a workspace where you can create mixed media textures and designs, all from the comfort of your craft room. Next we have a treasure trove of a bundle, which is our Nouveau gemstones. You get 6 pots in different colours and shapes to add some dazzle to your projects. It's foil craft card next with 10 awesome packs of foil craft card with 50 sheets in total at 60% off. The die bundle on day 3 of the Cyber Week sale is the autumn selection. You get 4 dies here in autumn, leaves and designs, and they're all available for you at 75% off on the store. And that's it for day 3 of the Cyber Week sale. Join me tomorrow, which will be Black Friday, where we've got loads more deals for you on the Tonic Studio store.